Today I want to talk about two words, minted and loaded. These two words are synonyms and are informal. Minted is used to describe someone who is very wealthy or has a lot of money. It suggests that the person has a significant amount of wealth, often implying that they are financially successful. It originates from the noun mint, which refers to a place where coins are produced. In the context of being wealthy, minted likely derives from the notion of being able to produce coins or money at will, symbolizing abundance and wealth. Similarly, the word loaded is used to describe someone who is very rich or has a substantial amount of money. It conveys the idea that the person is financially well off or prosperous, typically implying a high level of wealth or abundance of resources. The word loaded comes from the verb to load, which means to fill or pack something, often with a heavy or significant amount. In the context of wealth, loaded likely evolves from the idea of being loaded down with money or possessions, indicating an abundance or excess of wealth.